So after learning all about conditionals and true-false values in JavaScript, it's now time for another coding challenge. So let's say John and Mike both play basketball, but in different teams. And in the latest 3 games, John's team has scored 89, 120, and 103 points. And Mike's team has scored 116, 94, and 123 points. Okay? And what I want you to do is to calculate the average score for each team, then decide which teams wins in average, so the one that has the highest average score, and then print the winner to the console. And when you print that winner to the console, then also include the average score, okay? So we already calculated averages before, so all you have to do is to add up all the values and then divide by 3 in this case, because we have 3 results here, okay? And then what I also want you to do is to change the scores in order to show different winners, okay? And so here, don't forget to take into account that there might be a draw. So it means that there is the same average score. And so in your if-else statement, you will have to keep that in mind, okay? Now, after you finish that, you can take it to the next level and add a little extra. And in this case, Mary also plays basketball, and her team has scored 97, 134, and 105 points. And like before, I want you to log the average winner to the console. So what you're gonna have to do here is to check if one of the players has a larger score than the other two, okay? And in order to do that, you will probably need the AND operator to take that decision, okay? And if you cannot solve this one, then it's absolutely no problem. You can just watch the solution and see how I do it in there, okay? The most important thing is that you can do these number 1, 2, and 3, okay? Then if you want to take it to the next level here with the number 4, then that's also a great addition to this challenge, okay? So take a couple of minutes here, maybe half an hour, and try to really complete this challenge, and then I'll see you in the next video with the solution.